How's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the Nova Media Player to your Firestick or Android TV. The whole process is pretty easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. And the first step you gotta take is get the app called Downloader to your Firestick. You can actually get Downloader totally free of charge from your official Amazon App Store. Just go to search on the Firestick, and there in the search bar, you need to start typing downloader. So that's what we are doing right now. Start typing downloader. And usually there is even no need to enter the whole name of the app because, as you can see, downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. We have clicked on it, and then finally that's the app that you need to get to your Fire TV stick. And now to fully use downloader, we'll need to set it up by going to settings. Here they are. Scroll down and then you go to My Fire TV. And now from here, what you have to do is turn on developer options on your Fire Stick. However, on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's pretty easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you gotta start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case, and in your case, it is going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which have popped out for us at the bottom. Click on it, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then go to install unknown apps, and in here what you have to do is locate downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally we go to the list of apps on your Fire TV Stick. We open it and yep, here it is, the downloader app, which is set up and ready to use on your Fire Stick. But before actually using downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. And it is of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Denmark right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use downloader safely. So we go straight back to the list of apps on your Firestick device. Here it is. We open it, wait a bit until it loads, and now here in that search bar, we'll need to enter the code. And the code will be 293941. So once again, it's 2939141. That's the code you have to enter. So make sure to enter it exactly as you see and do not make any mistakes. Because obviously if you make a mistake, then the code is not going to work. After that, click on Go. And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe to my channel to get even more content about Firesticks. And now even though the app has started, usually it doesn't take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. Then you have to click on install and just wait until finally the app will be installed to your Firestick device. And after it is installed, do not click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way you'll be able to delete the installation files as you don't really need them anymore on your Firestick device. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way you get rid of unnecessary files from your Firestick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important because by default your Firestick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. And now when you go to the list of apps on your Firestick, you will open it, and there at the bottom you'll find the app which we just downloaded. So now I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. You click on it and then press on move to front. This way the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be pretty easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. So enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.